Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm really happy you're here and I really hope you will enjoy my video and maybe consider subscribing by clicking that red subscribe button. As you can see, I'm showing you my car, which means today's video is going to be cleanup of my car. And also I wanted to tell you this video is in collaboration with Becka Jones and I'm going to let her introduce herself over here.
Hey everyone, I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 3 boys who are 13 years old, 2.5 years old, and a 4-month-old. I'm also a military spouse. I love doing motivational cleaning videos. I like to do lifestyle videos, relatable mommy stuff. I would love it if you guys could come over and check out my channel and my video when you're done watching Blondie Next Door's video. We would love for you guys to hit the subscribe button and join the family. I look forward to seeing you guys over there.
I'm gonna link her channel in the description box down below and in the cards so you guys can go ahead and check it out. The first thing I'm doing is just taking everything out of my car. To clean it, I'm using a cloth, then Method all-purpose spray. Maybe I'm going to be using these wipes, I'm not sure. Then Febreze car scent. This is my DIY Febreze fabric spray and my vacuum cleaner. I am starting off by wiping everything off, all the dust and fingerprints and any dirt that there is on a dashboard and on the doors. Usually my husband cleans cars. He really likes to do it, but when he's really busy, I clean our car. And as you can tell, we do not have a brand new car. My husband has it for work, but this family van is pre-owned and this is how we want it because having 2 little kids, it is gonna get trashed and stained, and we just didn't want to buy a brand new car until the kids get a little bit older. There are some stains on the carpet on the floor and I did not want to mess with that right now. Usually throughout the summer my husband scrubbed that and it looks brand new, but right now we're in a rain season and it's been raining for a couple of weeks on and off and I know it's gonna get dirty again. I usually wash my kids' car seat covers a couple of times a year, but I didn't do it this time. They were really not that bad. We use car seat protectors, or actually seat protectors, that goes underneath the car seats just to keep all those snacks and any spills that might go on a seat, because we do not have leather seats and these upholstery seats would get really dirty. In a week, we're heading on vacation, so I really didn't want to put anything back in the car except the things that I need for the next week. And I like to spray this DIY Febreze spray all over our seats, then our car smells so good. I love how the clean car feels and looks, but we all know having two little kids, it is not gonna stay nice and clean very long. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I hope this is going to inspire you to clean your car. And don't forget to check out Becca's channel. You will find a link in the description box down below. If you're not already subscribed, I would really love for you to subscribe to my channel and click on notification bell button so you stay up to date with my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!